I bet you didn't know this. You can now create a character of yourself, just like me, and make it say anything that you want, for completely free.
With this, you don't have to stay in front of camera to record any video again. And I'm going to show you how to do this within just 1 minute. So follow along. If you're using your mobile phone, it is the same process. Go to your web browser and type in this web address, google.gemini/likeness. Click on that first website. Click on that try button, and if you are using your laptop, you will be asked to scan a code with your phone. But if you are using your mobile phone, they are going to provide you a link that you can click on to do a live video record of your face. After that, your twin character is going to be accepted, but you need to pay attention to this. When you are recording yourself, make sure you stay in a good environment that there is no noise, because you will be asked to say something as you are recording your face. Once you are done recording and your AI character has been created, then this is how to generate image with your AI character. Still on Gemini, you click on new chat. So now I'm going to say create an image of me riding a lion, just something like this. To bring out your avatar, hold shift on your keyboard, or if you are using your mobile phone, press the art icon on your keyboard, giving access to select your avatar. So this is my avatar. I'll select that. So now the AI understands that it's supposed to use my avatar to generate what I want it to generate. Let's test it out. So I'll click on send. So you can see the result. You can see it uses my face and everything, but there's a mistake here because my leg is not showing. So now let's convert this into a perfect character of yourself so that you can use this to generate any video that you want to generate. So I'm going to enter this, and now I will have to call my avatar. Remember to use your art, then enter that, and then we send it. So it's going to generate that image for us, and then we'll take this image to Google Flow to generate videos out of that image. Now you can use your character in Google Flow also. So if you don't want to use your character on Gemini, you can just go to Google Flow. So when you come to Google Flow, now in the text box area here, you need to enter art, and then you can bring your avatar. Here you see our avatar here. Click on avatar, and then this is my avatar. I'll click on add to prompt. Now you can see my avatar has been added. So now I can enter in any text I want to enter and generate, and my character is going to be generated. So let's just try that out. It is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to generate images on Google Flow. Now let's go back here and check. So you can see this is the character. It has been generated. So you can perfect your prompt and get a good result for yourself. So once that has been generated, so I'm going to just download this. Now I'll come back to Google Flow, and to make your character say something, let's assume you generate your video from Gemini and you want to bring it into Google Flow. Click on this plus icon here, and then click on upload down here. Click on upload media, and here is the image that we just generated. I'm going to click on open, and the image will be added. Come down here and click on add to prompt. That image will be added here, so I can write what I want him to say, but I'm not going to use that image. I would like to use this, that my hand is visible. I'll click on this plus sign, then I'll click on add to prompt. If you're using your phone, you long press on the image and you also see add to prompt. So now you put what the character is saying in a quote so that the AI understand what the character is supposed to say. So what we are going to do from here is to come down here where you see nano banana, click on that, change that to video, then select 1x, select 10 seconds. I'll just go with 8 seconds. So after that, I'll just click on send, and my video is going to be generated.
Thank you for watching this video.
So take a look at the video, see how nice and perfect the video looks. So this is how you generate an AI twin character of yourself for completely free using Google Gemini and Google Flow. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if this video was helpful to you, do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and follow this account for more videos to come.